Good morning, students. Today we will study division of decimals. But first, let's revise. We have done this in exercise 7.2 to multiply the decimal numbers. You know that when we multiply 0.3 by 10, it becomes 3.0. Okay, means one decimal shifts here. You can write here 3.0 or simply 3. Then again, when you multiply 0.3 by 100, so it will shift by right two places, means it will become what? It will become now 30. Okay, 30.0. Now again it will become what? It will become 300 by 0. Similarly, students, here when you multiply by 10, it will become 15 by 6, mean one decimal point will shift here. Then it will become 156.0. Okay, this decimal point will shift here, and then here it will become 1560. Similarly, here students, it becomes 23.45, then 234.5, 2345. Okay, means it will shift here. Okay, when you multiply by 100, so decimal points shift right places when you multiply. And what it will become when we divide? Okay, here in exercise 7.3 we had to divide. Okay, so here you can see when we divide 2.09 by 10, this decimal point will shift here in left place, so it will become 0. So it will become 0.209. Then again it will shift here, so it will become 0.0209. then when you multiply again by 10, okay, 100 में कितने का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1000 आएगा 10 का. So again it will shift 1 point here. So students, when you divide by 10, here it will become 0.345. okay, means it will shift here. Now by 100, so what will become? It will become 0.0345, and again by 1000, so it will become 0.00345. okay, now here it will become 76 का हो जाएगा 7.6 2623. okay, and now it will become again, when you will divide, what will become? 0.7623, and again divide by 1000, so it will become 0.07623. okay, and last year to do, this is your homework. जब भी आप जैसे जैसे जीरो बढ़ाते जाएंगे, ओके, जैसे जैसे आप जीरो इंक्रीज करते जाओगे, वैसे वैसे ये क्या होगा? लेफ्ट की तरफ शिफ्ट होगा जब डिवाइड करते टाइम. और व्हेन विल मल्टीप्लाई, जीरो विल शिफ्ट, सॉरी, डेसिमल पॉइंट विल शिफ्ट टू राइट प्लेसेस. नंबर बढ़ते जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई करने से, और व्हेन यू डिवाइड, नंबर आपका छोटा होते जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ we have solved question number 2 in exercise 7.3. now let's solve question 1. okay, question 1 says solve the division problems. Solve the division problems. Question number A is 3.2 divided by 2. so how will we solve? यहाँ पे आपका 3.2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 है. सो आपको स्टूडेंट्स ये 3.2 को आपको नॉर्मल नंबर लाना है, आपको 32 करना है. ओके, सो 32 करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10. यहाँ भी आपको 10 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, सो इट विल बिकम 20. ओके, नाउ डिवाइड 32 by 20. So 1 times 20, then 12. Now students, you can see 12 is less than 20, so what will do, you will write here decimal point, and here you will add 0. Now 6 times and 120, so answer is what? Answer is 1.6. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, ज़ीरो लेते जाना है रिमाइंडर में. यू हैव टू टेक ज़ीरो इन रिमाइंडर, और आपको यहाँ पे डेसिमल लिखना है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. 9.5 divided by 5. So here you can see students, it is 9.5 divided by 5. इसको हमको 95 बनाना है, तो कितने का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 10 का. सो नीचे में भी 10 का करो, सो इट विल बिकम 95 डिवाइडेड बाय 50. ओके, सो 1 times 50. नाउ रिमाइंडर इज 45. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टेक हियर डेसिमल पॉइंट and here add 0, so it will become 9 times. Okay, so this is our answer. 1.9 is our answer. Let me solve again one question for you. 41.1 divided by 3. So 41.1 divided by 3, हमको यहाँ पे क्या बनाना है? 411. ओके, सो 41 बनाने के लिए कितने का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 10 का, क्योंकि एक ही नंबर के बाद डेसिमल है. 0.1 मतलब पॉइंट के बाद कितना नंबर है? 1, तो मतलब हमको 10 का ही मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बस. ओके, सो हियर आल्सो, सो इट विल बिकम 30. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डिवाइड इट. सो 1 times 30 and then 11. Take here 1 and 3 times 90. 21. Here students, you can see 21 cannot be divided by 30, so what will do, you will here take decimal point. Okay, and here 0, so it will become 7. So answer is what? 13.7 is your answer. I hope you understood. So now question number 1D is your homework. Okay, 729.9 divided by 9 means आपको क्या करना है? You have to divide 7299 divided by 90. Okay, and question number 1E is also your homework. Okay, 324.4 divided by 4 मतलब क्या है आपका? 3244 divided by 40. Okay, now question number 1F. Let me solve this question. 2, 0, 24.32 divided by 8. Okay students, so 2024.32 divided by 8 है. So हमको ये वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट, हमको डेसिमल पॉइंट को रिमूव करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई हियर बाय 100, बिकॉज पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स है. आफ्टर पॉइंट डेसिमल पॉइंट देयर इज 2 डिजिट्स, तो 2 डिजिट्स को हटाने के लिए कितने? 100 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो यहाँ भी हमको 100 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो इट विल बिकम 202,432 डिवाइडेड बाई 800. सो लेट्स डिवाइड इट. 202,432 divided by 800. Okay, now 800 1600 then 2400. 2400 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, so 2 times 1600. Okay, Now let's subtract. So 4 minus 0 will be 4, 2 minus 0 will be 2, and 20 minus 16 will be 4. Now take here 3. यहाँ पे आपका है 4243. So 800 to the 1600, 2400, 3200, फिर 4000 है. ये सही है आपका. 5 टाइम्स क्या होगा 4000. Now so students, it will become, when we subtract, it will become 243. Now take here 2. Okay, how many times? 3 times. Okay, 3 times 2400. Let me make it smaller. Okay, now let's subtract these numbers. So it will become 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, here you can see 32 is smaller than 8. So what we'll do, we'll write here decimal point. Okay, now add here 0. Again 320 is less than 800, so write here 0. Okay, now again you can add here 0. Now 4 times. Okay, so 4 times it will become 3200. So your answer is what? Your answer is this. Okay, this is your answer, students. Let's go to next question. Question number 1Z. 715.7 divided by 17. Okay, so pause this video and try to solve this question, and after solving, again resume this video and see you have solved correct or not. So please pause this video and try to solve. I will solve here, but try to solve your own. Okay, so students, 715.7 डिवाइड बाई 17. अगर हम यहाँ 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ऊपर में, ओके, इन न्यूमरेटर, सो डेसिमल पॉइंट हट जाता है. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं पॉइंट हट जाता है. ये ऐसा हो जाता है, मतलब पॉइंट यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं 170, बिकॉज ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई करें तो नीचे में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा हमको. वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 7157 divided by 170. Now students, let's multiply. 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, and 17 4 is 68. Okay, 17 4 is 68. So it will become what? 680. Now subtract. So 5, 11 minus 8 will be 3, and 7 it will come 6, 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now students, put here 7. Now 17 2 is 34, so it will become 340. Now 1 7. Okay, now you can see 17 is less than 170. So what you will do, you will write here point, and here you will put 0. So it will become 1 times 170. So our answer is 42.1. This is our answer. Okay, now 1H, 512.128 divided by 64. Again I will say, students, try to solve this question on your own. Pause this video and try to solve. Okay, I will provide this questions answer to you in PDF. Okay, I will solve and provide this questions answer to you in PDF, and question 1 I will be your homework. Okay, 62.5 divided by 25. Okay,